Hey guys, John here over at Byrider Green Bay. Jumping on, and I was asked to just kind of share one of our vehicles that has a really gorgeous interior. First one that popped to mind is our 2013 Buick Enclave. So this is a seating for 7 SUV. It is really modern, really up to date, a lot of really great creature comforts, and it's just absolutely a gorgeous vehicle. So first thing you might notice is this beautiful leather trim right here on the dash. It's a leather stitch wrap dashboard, really gorgeous looking, and it really accents the darker colored seats and upholstery. Kind of like a peanut butter and chocolate thing going on, and it looks really, really good. Also in here we have DVD player for the kids in the back, dual sunroofs for the front and the back that will go back for them as well. I'm going to take you in and show you the dashboard here a little bit too. The first thing I'll walk you through is on this dash. Built into it we have a touchscreen navigation system. Right now, it is set up for our address here, 2805 Vermont Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. And you can change that by going into destination, which is this button right here. You can address entry, point of interest, previous destinations. You can do a lot of different like quick shortcuts in this one too, like favorite, just to like get you home. Then we also have your navigation home screen right here. Now playing will show you what's currently coming out of the radio. This is a pretty good sound system in it too, which is always a bonus to have. In here we also have dual climate control. We have heated and cooled seats with traction control, towing options, all kinds of great stuff on this vehicle. We have, like I said, this gorgeous peanut butter and chocolate interior. Captain's chairs in the back plus seating for 7, and those rear seats do fold down as well. Exterior on this thing is also gorgeous. Paint's in really good condition. It's got nice sized wheels, nice looking wheels on it too. And it's just a really sharp, good looking rig. So if you're looking for something, like I said, give me a call, 920-455-7788. And we'll see about getting you going on a vehicle. It meets all your needs, and hopefully you like it a little bit too.